Hey world! Welcome superstars tuning in. What's ahead in this episode? We wanted to find the value of this expression. 3 divided by 1 over 88. Then times 88. Let's go and start solving the problem. We have 88 divided by 88, which equals 1. So here we have just 1. And 3 divided by 1 equals 3. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, we have to do this division first, not this multiplication. So let's start the correct solution. 3 divided by 1 over 88. To do this division, write down the 3 and change the division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 88 over 1, which gives 88. And here again we have times 88. 3 times 88 gives us 264. So 264 times 88, which equals 23,232. And so our final answer to this problem is just 23,232. Like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts. Thanks for watching.